The new Tesla Supercharger can give 1,000 miles of charge per hour, cutting the Model 3 charge times by half. Welcome to EV Comet, where we bring you the EV industry's exciting developments. If you are already subscribed, welcome back. If you are new here and like our content, please subscribe and give us a thumb up. It encourages us to make more. Today, we'll talk about the new Tesla fast charging, which can give you 100 miles in just 5 minutes. Tesla just introduced the third generation of its supercharger system, which the company claims will enable a Model 3 to recharge up to 1,000 miles per hour and recover 75 miles of energy in only 5 minutes. The V3 Supercharger system from the electric vehicle manufacturer is based on an entirely new architecture and has a 1 megawatt power cabinet that can charge cars at up to 250 kilowatt per unit. According to Tesla, users will spend half as little time charging their cars due to the boost in charging speed. Tesla has also developed a new feature to help Model 3 owners cut charging times. The technique, known as en-route battery charging, begins heating the batteries while traveling to a supercharger station to ensure they are at optimal charging temperature upon arrival. Tesla predicts that using that technology and the V3 Superchargers, a normal charging time at one of the units will be reduced to 15 minutes. Only the Model 3 will be able to use the V3 charging method at first. Tesla claims software upgrades to increase charging speeds for Model S and Model X vehicles are on the way. Because it shares technical aspects with the Model 3 sedan, the Model Y SUV, which will be unveiled next week, will most likely be able to use the system as well. The first beta test V3 chargers are presently in service near Tesla's headquarters in California, and development on the first full sites will begin in April. The first V3 Supercharger locations in Europe and Asia are scheduled to open in the fourth quarter of this year. Tesla presently boasts over 12,000 supercharger locations in North America and claims to service 99% of the European population by the end of the year. Meanwhile, Tesla Incorporated is exploring establishing a lithium refinery on the Texas Gulf Coast to assure the supply of the essential component used in batteries amid rising demand for electric vehicles. The potential battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility, which Tesla claims will be the first of its type in North America, will transform raw ore material into a viable state for battery manufacture, according to a filing with the Texas Comptroller's Office. Tesla stated that a choice to invest in Texas would also be based on the capacity to secure relief from local property taxes. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, stated that the company might be forced to enter the mining and processing industries when lithium costs rise. Musk has also stated that new players in the lithium refining business are needed. You can't lose. It's licensed to print money, he stated during the company's second quarter earnings call. Securing a consistent supply of battery components is vital for Tesla as it faces tough competition in the rapidly rising electric car market. If allowed, construction could begin in the fourth quarter of 2022 and achieve commercial production by the end of 2024, according to Tesla's August 22 proposal. According to the plan, Tesla would ship the final product from the refinery to multiple Tesla battery manufacturing facilities, thereby boosting the supply chain. Lithium prices have soared this year due to increased demand from the automotive industry. China is the world's largest lithium processor, despite several setbacks for proposed rival projects in the United States and the European Union. If Tesla's plan is implemented, the company will be the first in the industry to invest directly in lithium refining as automakers hurry to strike deals with miners and refiners. Battery manufacturers are also aiming to expand production. If you liked this video, hit the like button and send us your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.